Oh God. You guys will bite me.
Okay, answer.
Oh, this is Samantha. She's not as nice. And
Oh, make it cute.
Sammy is yellow, Yummy, yummy. Yeah, don't call me to death, Sammy, yummy. It's not pretty for the camera. Smile. Hey. Hi.
Oh, she almost got me.
I don't see, she's mean.
Here, I'll make one with her. She won't bite me.
She hates my breath. And she's squeaking down full of air. Peter, you're such a precious angel. He's such
Johnny, you are the green, green kitty. You are so green, sweet, 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 green kitty. And don't you know? And don't you know? Oh my God. Okay, I'll pet you. I'll pet you. There you go. You like to act like the queen. You like to be treated like the queen. You don't like the dancing.
He does. Look at him.
I know, he's the dancing kitty. This is Sammy the queen. Can you show me your pretty face? Show the camera your pretty, pretty face. Can you show the camera your pretty, pretty face? The tail's wagging. Show the camera your pretty, pretty face. Yummy. There you go. There you go. See, you're natural. The camera loves you. You look so pretty on it. Sammy Samantha the Queen.
Got that insane jackrabbit look on her face.
As you can see, our cats have very different personalities.